Sure, some folks said he was as crazy as he was stubborn, but I say wonder and magic don't come easy, pal. And oh, there would never be any doubt. The name Buster Moon would go down in entertainment history. And I should know, because I am Buster
Moon! Open this door!
Good morning, Mr. Moon.
Miss Crawley, what's going on?
You got a lot of animals waiting to see you, Mr. Moon.
I do? Molly, I really do.
Yeah, it's the stage crew from your last show. They say their paychecks bounce.
Tell them I'll call up the bank and make sure they're paid too sweet.
Oh, I got Judith from the bank holding on line 2 right now, sir.
Actually, I'm gonna have to call her back.
Oh, what should I tell her this time?
Tell her Buster Moon is out to lunch.
Take my wheel, you gotta take it. It's the only way we'll make it. Two of us working as one. Together we can get it done. 'Cause together is the only way through. Together is the only way through.
Okay, that's everyone, Mr. Moon.
Whew. All right. Call everyone back to stage, Miss Crawley, and let's get...
Help!
Oh.
Can I have everybody back to stage, please? Everyone come back to stage for selection.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Crawley.
You're welcome, Mr. Moon.
All right. Let's see. I'll take you guys. Yes! And which one of you is the girl?
Haha, very funny.
Loud and horrible, but shows promise. Welcome to the show.
Cool. I guess we could hang.
No, I just want her, not you.
What?
All right, the rest of the group acts for so much. Oh, don't feel bad, folks. There'll be a 10% discount on tickets for everyone. Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot.
Let's get out.
Okay, soloists. Mike, Daniel, and Ray. Mike! Ooh, wowza. I've got to have you in my show.
Oh, if you insist.
And one more. Let me see now.
Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. Oh, what is wrong with me?
Thanks for coming, Richard.
Oh my, Ray! Are you alright? Just hang in there, Ray. I gotcha.
Okay, then I'll take... Daniel. Thank you, Johnny. Daniel, can you hear me? You're in the show.
What? Are you talking to me?
Yes. I was saying that you are in... Oh, Jesus, this is gonna drive me nuts. Johnny, get back here. You're in.
Thank you, Daniel. Goodbye.
Yes! Okay, that's everyone on my list.
Wait a second, Rosita.
Is Rosita still here?
Yes, I'm here.
Rosita, great set of pipes, but boring to watch.
I knew it.
So, what should I do? I could partner you up with Gunther.
Gunther, where are you?
Yeah, this is me.
Yeah! It's gonna spice things up on stage.
Wait, you want us to sing together?
Yeah, the two of us together? Are you joking me? We're going to be spicy, no?
Oh my! What happened to your whole I'm controlling the game bits?
What's the use? I've pushed everyone away in an effort to intimidate you all into losing the game.
Dirty control. Oi. Sorry, I had to get down.
But I failed, and now everyone hates me.
You're right. Everyone does hate you.
Yeah, I just said that.
Ah, the winds of change. Yep, when this show's a hit, I'm gonna get you a fresh coat of paint. How are we doing with those flyers, Miss Crawley?
Oh, yes, sir. We're all good to go here.
Miss Crawley, no!
Oopsie daisy.
Ah, well, I guess that's one way to spread the word.